Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is what I eat in a day, vegan, because I am vegan. So the first thing is a smoothie. I added some greens. I added some fruits. I think here I had some kaki. I added a date. I added some seeds and amla powder, some spices, water, and I blended everything. Then I remembered that I'd forgotten to add the frozen berries, so I added the frozen berries and blended them again. It doesn't look very nice or appetizing, but it's nice. It's especially in the summer. It's a very nice breakfast for me and very filling. It usually keeps me going until lunchtime. I don't usually have a snack mid-morning. For lunch, I am making rice with broad beans. So the first thing I do is I soften the onions. I don't use oil, so whenever the onions stick to the bottom of the pan, I will add a little bit of water or vegetable broth. If you use oil, then you can use oil. Once the onions are softened, I add about a cup of, maybe half a cup of dill that's been chopped up, a cup of rice, 1.5 cups of water, excuse me, and the broad beans, and leave it to cook. I had this with salad, with a mixed salad. Then for a snack, I prepared some cream cheese. I forgot to show you what I had done. I put soya yogurt in a cheesecloth and left it about 16 hours. And then I'm adding lemon and mixed herbs. The herbs are up to you, whatever you want. You can even add garlic if you want. And then I let it chill in the fridge for about a couple of hours for the flavors to infuse. And now I'm having it as a snack with rye bread, toasted rye bread, and topped with tomatoes. This is one of my favorite snacks. I love making this cream cheese. And for dinner, I'm having a wrap with some green beans cooked with tomato, onions, and garlic. I will link the I will link the recipe for this one. And then I added some tahini, and I had some leftover potato salad, and that was my dinner. on that day, I was really craving something sweet, like a chocolate or something. So when I have this craving, I usually have some tahini, some dates, nuts. I will put the nuts. I'm having walnuts. I'll put them inside the date and then dip them in the tahini. It's really, really lovely. And it satisfies my craving. Anyway, if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and hasta luego.